Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Over here on, what do you call that, the Fenway Road there? Fenway. I'm in front of, they call fire alarm. Now, fire alarm is where they dispatch all the fire alarm calls from. If I'm not mistaken, this is the actual building where they dispatch all the fire alarm calls. And I think they have repair techs in there too that fix box and all that kind of stuff. They do all kind of stuff in there. But basically, this is what I believe to be fire alarm. It dispatches all the fire alarm calls throughout the city of Boston. Just want to show you a brief look at it. Many of y'all probably passed by it like so many times on the way to Stubble Drive. Never knew what the building is, so. But that's where all the antennas for all the radios, and they got some more over here as well.
Standby. May 22 Honda CRV Black. That is an Enterprise rental. That's first floor, but we don't have an apartment number. Okay with the call.
You guys can make up the writing over there. See, we can kind of zoom in on it a little bit.
Head over to 5 Whitfield Street. Came in immediate progress. Call it saying that someone broke into our house and then they left the apartment but are now outside of their vehicle. Waiting on a description of the vehicle.
This is where all the service techs, dispatches, and stuff like that are located, for the most part. Actually, it says it. They actually got a sign that says it on there. I never noticed that. This wasn't always here though. I don't think. But here you go. Building a better Boston.
This would be a black BMW sedan. 2 males, 2 black males. One of them is wearing a white t-shirt.
1124, ladder 23, a central station alarm, 202 Washington Street, Dorchester. Engine 24, ladder 23, a central station alarm, 202
Yeah, that
Washington
sign's kind of new.
Dorchester.
That sign wasn't always there.
Washington Street and Erie Street, 1934.
So this is the, and they also do like data communications too. So it's not all radio communications. Some of it is data.
With the 111 down there at 5 Whitfield Street.
They use a lot of data for, they transmit data on the MDTs. I don't know if you guys know it or not, but the fire department have mobile data terminals just as well as the Boston Police and Boston EMS. So they can send data via mobile data. That's what they have. Take a quick walk over here and head up out of here.
Yeah, that is then for
Communications vehicle. They're the guys that they fix all the for the most part. I think they work on the radio communications, but they also probably work on the alarm boxes as well. So if you have an alarm box that doesn't wind properly or needs to be replaced, pretty sure these guys are multi-talented. They could do both.
What was that? Yeah, it was a black BMW sedan, 2 Lima Kilo Papa 56, occupied 2 black males.
All right, so that's what we have. The fire alarm building right over here in the I guess you call this the Fenway. Yeah, I guess you call this the Fenway. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you the fire alarm building. You see all the cables going up to the antennas.
It's gonna be 724 Morton Street. Let me know if we're gonna need to say.
Most of them are UHF, but there's a few of them that may not be UHF. They might be like some kind of low band up there. I can't tell if it's the 29 megahertz or the 39 megahertz, but somewhere in that range. At least based on that antenna size, it could be. Then again, who knows? All right, guys. Just want to show you a little activity over here at Fire Alarm. Catch you guys on the next one.